SC20 is the second one-off created by Sant'Agata Bolognese's Motorsport department, after the SC18 Alston unveiled at the World Finals 2018. The SC20 has been developed to meet the wishes of the customer, who was involved in the design right from the first drawings by Lamborghini Centro Stile stylists. The shared goal was to create a unique vehicle with an extreme design and performance, able to combine aerodynamic solutions derived from racing Lamborghinis with original lines and exclusive details. The carbon fiber bodywork optimally directs the airflow in such a way as to allow comfortable driving even at high speeds. The pronounced front splitter is framed by two fins and the air intakes on the front hood, while the sculpted sides incorporate the same solutions adopted on the Asenza SC12. The muscular rear end is topped by a large carbon fiber wing which can be set in 3 positions: low, medium and high load. The SC20 features exclusive details, starting with the bodywork colors, based on Bianco Fu, a white color created for the customer, adorned with blue Cepheus livery. The engine is the most powerful produced by Lamborghini, a naturally aspirated 6,498 cc V12 which produces 770 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 720 Nm torque at 6,750 revolutions per minute, supplied through an optimized 7-speed ISR, independent shifting rod, transmission.